Hello everyone, for today's video I just wanted to show you which of this Detroit axis rotor should go into the left side and to the right side of your vehicle. Some manufacturers like A1 Auto suggest that their rotors be installed this way. Basically they want your rotor to turn this way where the grooves is cutting into the brakes. Power Stop on the other hand shows that the sled should be pointing towards the rear. So this thing should be pointing towards the rear like this one right here. So basically for Power Stop you're going this direction. A1 Auto also suggests that when your cooling vane is slanted, so let's say your cooling vane is slanted this way, they want the top of the vane to be pointing towards the back of your vehicle. While others say that the cooling vane should be facing forward like this, because according to them, you want the vane to be scooping the air as you move forward. And a lot of people say also that when the vanes are straight, so if you look here, your vanes is actually straight down. You can see the bottom. They said that this can go both ways. It just depends on how you prefer your rotors to look like. And those are all opinions from a lot of people online, and we're not sure if they are true or not. So what I did is I contacted the manufacturer. What I was told is that if you look closely at the part numbers, you're going to see an L or an R right after the part number. So right here is the part number, and that is an R. So this one is to the right side of your vehicle. And if you look at this one, you'll see the part number and an L. So this denotes that this should go to the left side of your vehicle. And my next question to them is, which is the right side and the left side of my vehicle? Because my right side and left side will change if I'm outside looking in front of my vehicle or looking at the back of my vehicle. I was told by the manufacturer that the right and the left side of the vehicle is always based on your perspective when you are sitting inside the vehicle looking ahead, or by following where your turn signal point to where you want to turn left or right. So if you're sitting in your vehicle, my right side is this way, my left side is this way. So in the US, the L will go into the driver's side and the R will go into the passenger side.